Question 1, you're going to write an equation of the line with the given characteristics. So all of these, when we want to write an equation of the line, we want to write it as y is equal to m, which is going to be the slope, x, and then we're going to add the b value here, which is the y-intercept. Right? So that is what we need. So here it says slope is 7, so we know that m is going to be equal to the number 7. Then here we get the y-intercept, which is b is going to be equal to the number 2. Now we write the equation, okay? We're going to write y is equal to m, which is 7. And we have an x. And then we're going to add the value of b here. And that would be the equation. Same thing here. Let's look at this one. The slope is 1/3, so we write m is equal to 1/3. And then here, this is 0, 4. This here is the b value. This is the y-intercept. So b is equal to -4. Now we can write the equation. Y is equal to 1/3 x. And then we have the -4, which is the y-intercept. Okay. From C, we now look at the chart. Same thing. First of all, we first want the slope. So what is the slope? Let's see. This is delta y. From -2 to 10, you are going up by 12. Okay. Then from 0 to 4, delta x is equal to 4. The slope is delta y over delta x. So that's going to be equal to 12 divided by 4, which can be simplified to just the number 3. The y-intercept is located here, which is the 0 term. B is equal to -2, right? Now, we write the equation y is equal to 3x. And then we have the -2 here for the y-intercept. All right, let's look at question D. Same thing here. First of all, we want to find the slope. So the slope is delta y over delta x. Let's see visually how I can get it. Grab 2 points here. Right here is 1 point. Here's the other point. This goes down 1, 2. So delta y is -2. Then, oops, sorry. Let's see. Let me draw this better. 1, 2. Delta y is -2. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delta x is equal to 5. So the slope is delta y, which is -2, divided by delta x, which is 5. So that is the slope, right? The y-intercept is located right here. This is the y. This is where the graph crosses the y-intercept. This is a b value of just 1. So we can write the equation y is equal to the slope, which is -2 over 5x. And then we're going to add the 1. All right. That would be the how to write the equation of a line for these given characteristics. All these problems, the y-intercept was given to you.